but try to avoid issuing statements that would hurt the feelings of our resource persons.
Do you have any comments, Secretary?
What is the question, Mr. Chair?
There's no question, but if you wish to comment, I would let you comment. But if not, then I'll proceed. And it was mentioned, nabanggit po ni Pagcor Chief, na nakiusap po kayo kung pwedeng bigyan ng pagkakataon ng Lucky South 99 na mabayaran ng kailang arrears.
It was Cassandra who did the talking. I merely accompanied her, and I accompanied Cassandra as a person whom I know is from Whirlwind. At that point, I will stress that even Pagcor acknowledged that on that specific date, the official representative of Lucky South to Pagcor was Mr. Dennis Cunanan.
For the record, Attorney Harry Roque, ulitin po natin ulit yung tanong, kayo po ba yung abogado ng Pogo ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. I have said it many, many times, and I will maintain that. And assuming, Arguendo, that I was or is, the question is, where is the crime? But I will not acknowledge a relationship that does not exist because according to the Code of Professional Responsibility for Lawyers, there must first be a meeting of the mind between the lawyer and the attorney to repose trust and confidence on the lawyer to represent the client on legal matters.
Maraming salamat po. And the summary pieces of evidence we have, in addition to those that have already been mentioned, your affidavit of support in favor of Mr. Alberto Rodolfo Y. de la Serna, your former EA, is found at the premises of the Pogo Lucky South 99. Pogo Lucky South 99 organizational chart submitted to Pagcor and states that you are Lucky South 99's legal head. You went to Pagcor, you facilitated a meeting of Lucky South 99 with the Pagcor chief, Tenko, and you were with Cassandra Ong and requested for Lucky South 99 extension of payment of its arrears. And yet, Secretary Roque, you deny to be a lawyer of Lucky South 99. I'm just wondering who are you trying to fool? We are not actually born yesterday, Secretary. Sa tingin mo po ba kaya mong paikutin ang mga tao sa hearing na ito kasamang sambayan ng Pilipino? Of course, deny as much as you want. But the overwhelming pieces of evidence point to one thing. An only reasonable person, any reasonable person, will come to an unmistakable conclusion. You are part, or perhaps a lawyer, of Pogo South 99.
Mr. Chair, I resent that. I am not fooling anyone. I resent that also coming from someone who was my former law student and who was my inaanak. That's not the way to treat a resource person of this House. At least when I was a member of this House, we never treated resource persons in that way. I resent that for the record, Mr. Chairman.
May I ask the honorable member, Kong Salo, to refrain in issuing statements that would insult our resource persons. I am not saying you are, but try to avoid issuing statements that would hurt the feelings of our resource persons. Please proceed.
Will do, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, in our last hearing on August 16, Friday in Pampanga, Secretary Roque was invited by the Squad Committee. And Attorney Harry Roque sent a letter dated August 13, 2024, addressed to the Honorable Chairman, Robert Ace Barbers. Yours true. Are you the lead chairman? Informing Chair Barbers that he will not be able to participate in the said meeting due to a conflict with the previously scheduled court hearing before the Regional Trial Court of Manila on 16 August 2024, the same date of our Quad Committee hearing. I have here a copy of that particular letter. Mr. Chair, we have also in receipt here a copy of certification from Attorney Jennifer H. de la Cruz, Buendia, Clerk of Court and ex officio Sheriff of Manila, RTC Manila, stating that Attorney Harry Roque has no hearing on August 16 and did not appear in the courts of Manila on said date. Mr. Chair, I hate to say it, but clearly, Attorney Harry Roque, our former secretary, and my former professor, law professor, lied to this committee. And that amounts actually to disrespect on the members of the committee, which is contemptible under Section 11E of the Rules of the House of Representatives on inquiries in aid of legislation. I therefore move, Mr. Chair, that Attorney Harry Roque be cited for contempt for disrespecting the members of this committee when he lied in order to evade attending the hearing of this committee where he was invited. So move, Mr. Chair.
I did not quite hear what you said, Congressman Salo. Can you please repeat? Are you moving for the committee to cite Mr. Attorney Harry Roque in contempt?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Pursuant to Section 11E of the Rules of the House of Representatives in aid of legislation. So
Mr.
move,
Chair?
Mr. Chair.
1 minute suspension.